Hi guys, today I will show you the best method to use UAV without using Blender, more effectively and faster. This way you can make your 3D model with the right image for your company, product or personal use. You will find the link of the site in the description, and using my code you will have a discount. This site is called Pacdora. Here you can choose a huge amount of model between 3D and packaging. Now I will show you how to use it. It's suitable for everyone. For example, now I will choose a product and easily insert my brand label. Here you can see the pixel size. Now I'm going to Canva and create a project with the custom dimensions, so I can show you the whole process. Now go back to the product and upload the image you created on Canva. Obviously, you don't have to use Canva, it's just a demonstration. You can upload any image you want as long as it has two dimensions. As you can see on the left, you can also change the template, the background, create a video and even modify the object in question. I will save this model as a video and show you the final result.